The Robert Russo Moton Museum. Constructed in 1939, the Robert Russo Moton High School was built for 180 students. By the 1940s, the student population reached over 450. Mary E. Branch Community Center and School. Originally called the Farmville Color School, also Farmville No. 2 or Farmville Training School, this building was constructed in 1926 to serve as an elementary school. Dr. N. P. Miller's office in Farmville Shopping Center. Dr. Nathaniel P. Miller, a prominent African-American dentist, was active in many civic organizations, including the NAACP. While public schools were closed, Dr. Miller allowed the American Friends Service Committee, a Quaker civil rights organization, to use his building as headquarters when they came to help ameliorate race relations. Beulah AME Church and Parsonage. Founded in 1868, Beulah African Methodist Episcopal Church served as a center for civil rights organizing while Prince Edward County Public Schools were closed. First Baptist Church. First Baptist Church, led from 1949 to 1980 by the Reverend L. Francis Griffin, served as a spiritual and tactical center for the civil rights movement in Farmville. State Theater. On September 10, 1959, the Prince Edward County School Foundation began the inaugural year of the Prince Edward Academy with speeches in the theater formerly located here. College Shop. In addition to drawing attention to the absence of public education, African American students protested segregated businesses in downtown Farmville in 1963, including the College Shop formerly located here. Prince Edward County Courthouse. Prince Edward County Courthouse was the site of a May 20, 1961 rally organized by the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP, to recognize the 7th anniversary of Brown v. Board of Education and to protest the continued closure of public schools. Farmville Baptist Church. Founded in 1836, Farmville Baptist was one of the 4 churches that young African American protesters attempted to integrate on Sunday, July 28, 1963, as part of a peaceful kneel-in. J.J. Newberry Company Department Store. On Friday, July 26, 1963, 12 young African Americans from Prince Edward County staged a sit-in at the lunch counter in the J.J. Newberry Company Department Store, formerly located here. Farmville Presbyterian Church. White residents of Prince Edward County were not unanimous in their response to closing the public schools, and differing opinions threatened to undermine established institutions, including Farmville Presbyterian Church, founded in 1844. Farmville Herald offices. The Farmville Herald, published bi-weekly, was founded in 1890. J. Barry Wall purchased the Herald in 1921 and served as editor during the period of school closings. Under Wall's leadership, the Farmville Herald was a strident opponent of the Brown decision and championed local offices to thwart desegregation and establish a countywide system of private schools. High Street Monuments. The site of 2 contrasting monuments, one was erected in 1900 during the height of the Lost Cause nostalgia for the Confederacy, while the other was dedicated in 2018 to honor persons in the community who aspired to expand freedom and civil rights throughout American history. John's Memorial Episcopal Church and Gordon Moss Home. When small groups of African American students attempted to attend services at 4 downtown Farmville churches to integrate the traditionally white houses of worship on Sunday, July 28, 1963, John's Memorial, built in 1882, was the only one into which they were admitted. Jarman Auditorium at Longwood University. Constructed in 1951, Longwood University's auditorium was the site of a June 7, 1955 community meeting. Race Street Baptist Church. At the corner of Franklin and Hill Street stands Jericho Baptist Church, formerly called Race Street Baptist Church, which was founded in 1894. During the 1960s, the congregation supported the Reverend Griffin's leadership in civil rights activities. Martha E. Forrester Home. One block east of here at the corner of Franklin and Race Street stands Martha E. Forrester's home. A retired teacher, Martha E. Forrester was among one of 6 African American women who founded the Council of Colored Women in 1920. The council advocated for improved schools for children and was instrumental in improving the Farmville Training School, as well as in lobbying for the construction of the Robert Russa Moton High School, which opened in 1939. Reverend L. Francis Griffin Home. This house was built in 1961 as the parsonage for First Baptist Church and was home to the Reverend L. Francis Griffin and his family.